Hi folks, and welcome back to Tam Stamps. Today we're going to be making card number 2 from the December paper pumpkin box, and this is what we need, so let's get going. Today's banner will be a gold rimmed circle, and today's theme will be just a note. If you enjoy our videos, we would certainly appreciate a like, and clicking the subscribe button will help our videos get recommended. And click the notification button so that you don't miss any of our new videos. We need a background for today's banner, which is going to be a nice fern, which will help it pop out from the white and gold highlighted cardstock. Just like card 1, the fern will be backed by an opaque set of leaves. And you can see I'm taking my time to try to get it arranged so that the fern, while it's still on the front, allows some of the background leaves to show through. Again, we'll be using adhesive tape on the back to hold both the fern and its background together, and to mount them both to the base card. If you would like to purchase this Paper Pumpkin subscription box, or you'd like to take a look at all of the currently available card kits, please follow the link in our description. That will take you to our Tam Stamps website. Once again, I'm trying to get the camera to show the gold highlights on the side of the card that we're going to put our fern on. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better in this video than our last one. I'm taking my time to make sure that I'm going to get the fern and its background in the right position so I can put the banner in its right position. This banner is going to get 3 hexagon foam adhesives, just like the last one, to make it stand away from the card. Now, this is a perfect card for dropping a note to somebody you may not have talked to in a while or may have been out of touch with for some time. What's left now is to put on the address highlighter to the front of the card, or I should say the front of the envelope. Again, I'm using the extra address highlight set that came with the kit to align the address highlight. The last thing we'll do is apply our gold flecked highlights. As you can see, I had no easier time with these three than I did with the three from the first card. They're a little hard to handle, but they do make a nice final touch on the card for sure. And there we have it, folks. The second card from our December paper pumpkin box. And once again, thanks for stopping by Tam Stamps, and we'll see you next time.